Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to share your Spotify playlist with someone on Spotify. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify, select your library at the bottom, and then locate your playlist, and then select the playlist in question and the three-dotted icon next to your little user icon here, and then select where it says share. And then you can select friends, or if you want to just do the copy link, you can do that too. And then once you've done that, you would just be able to go ahead and select the playlist you want to share here. And then once you've done, you can select more and then share it via one of these apps. That's always a possibility. And that's pretty much it. You could link your Facebook account or stories or Snapchat too. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.